motor right there. No, no.
Back up just a little more. Try to turn it drive this way. You're gonna have to right there, right there. Cut a little driver. But straight there. You're gonna have to roll into it because it's a full on through the clutch.
Come past you, your hair.
Right there.
Go for it.
Okay, you're gonna have to bump it. You're gonna bump.
Now I'm heading that way.
Good, right.
Passenger a little. There you are. Come back here. Let's readjust the throttle. Straighten him up.
Well, now when I back up, I'm getting closer and closer to that edge. Am I right?
Yeah, you're okay.
Tell you what, get the roll in.
There you are. Keep coming.
A little more. Right there.
Here.
Good Samaritan right there. Helpful bystander. If you're wondering, yes, I am just watching while somebody else does work I should be doing. The upside is, that's his Jeep right there. He blew a fuel pump, so he's not going anywhere for a while. So I'm just giving him something to do. I think of it as being helpful. Okay, here we go again.
The line right there. Just give us. She'll carry, the weight will carry up. Passengers to air. Right there. Back air. Oh, oh, straighten around, straighten around. There you are, pull up.
Keep picking them out. Is this side touching too, Bryce?
Side, the control arm?
No, the tire.
Yeah, he's touching on this side.
Okay, as you're coming up.
We're getting high tech now.
Okay.
Front weights.
Ease into her.
A little more, Keep tossing them. Going back out and go